Okay, I've been asked to test this and see if it's got the a constant draw on it, if it's drawing any power whatsoever with nothing plugged in. So I thought I'd give it a test on camera so you can see. This is the outlet that's got the built-in USB port chargers. There's two of them, one on each side, so let's give it a whirl. I've got my amp probe here. Be careful because this is live wire. Let's put a toaster in. Turn the toaster on, and it's drawing 7.5 amps. 7.4. Turn the toaster off. Unplug it. With nothing plugged in, it's 0, 0, 0. So, as you can see, there's absolutely no draw on it whatsoever. So I hope that answers your questions, and thanks a lot.